Hi, today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from an Android device to Realme Narzo 10. Firstly, open Play Store on both devices. Now you need to type Send Anywhere and download this app from this developer. Open it. Click on I accept, then tap Confirm, Continue and finally Allow. Over here you need to tap on Receive on Realme and Send on an Android. Now tap on all of these dots and select Send to send all of your files. But it will take some time, so I will only, for example, click on this one song, tap on Send and select Got it. From here there are two ways to connect. You can input this password or scan QR code. If you wish to scan the code, tap on the scanning icon over here, then tap Allow and point Realme at the code. As you can see, my file was successfully transferred. If you want to check it out for sure, you can always go into Menu, then find File Manager and click, in my case, on Audio. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!